Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word harmonization. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The harmonization of the company's policies led to improved communication and collaboration among employees. Harmonization refers to the process of making different elements work together smoothly and effectively, often by aligning them towards a common goal. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.